Alright, once your front page is done and you'd like to add these other pages, products, advertisements, about, contact, whatever you want to call them, what you'll need to do is, if we want to use the same banner and buttons and overall look, a simple way to create the other pages is do File, Save As, and we can just call this one Ads. Okay. Save, and now this is the advertisement folder, advertisements HTML, not the other one. One thing we're going to do right away is random photography home. We don't want that anymore. You can go to page titles and properties, and instead of home we can just call this one advertisements. Okay, there we go. And this page, we don't really want it to look the same, so I would probably put a different picture in there. Right now I'm not going to worry about it. Let's just put down the items that we want. Okay, so what I'm going to put in here is the different advertisements or products I made. You can call this page, portfolio or whatever you need to call it. I have different items, so I'm just going to type the description. So I'll do magazine feature. Alright, it's kind of large, so I can make it smaller. All of it smaller, not just some of it. Alright, I can highlight that, go up to link, and instead we're not linking to another HTML file, so you got a down arrow to all the files. Then go under images, and we'll see I have my mag cover here, open, and OK. Now instead of displaying the picture, it displays a link, and that's what I want. I don't want all of them to display. That way the user can just click on the links that they are interested in. If I save this, well, first of all, I should mention that the magazine feature is in this dark blue. That's going to be hard to read for the user. So what you can do is, in anywhere, you can go to Format, Page Colors and Background, and right here you can see active links. Instead of using that dark blue, let's use a gray. Nah, this light blue isn't bad. Let's use that. And then visited link can be a even lighter blue. Hit OK. Okay, it doesn't display correctly yet, but if I bring it up in Firefox, there it is, magazine feature. Now when someone clicks on this, it loads a JPEG, and that's what I want on its own page. I can go back, and if we refresh it, actually the colors are very similar, so that's what it looks like. That works out pretty good. And then it's the same for everything else. I could put business card, again kind of large, shrink it down, and link, choose file, images, but again I have to do all files, otherwise it's not going to show up. Or I could pick images, and business card, OK. Alright, there we go. Save it, and then I can go into Firefox, refresh business card, and there's my business card popping up as a JPEG. So that works out pretty well. Now again, I would probably have an image, to set it apart from the other one, but you don't necessarily need to. And if I want to go back to my home page, it's right there. Advertisements, there you go. So we'll work on the other buttons later, but that's all for now.